Is your PC running slow? Today, I'll share 9 quick and easy ways to speed it up. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Disable startup programs, especially OneDrive. Did you know that some apps automatically start when your PC boots up? These can slow things down. To fix this, open Task Manager. Head to the Startup tab. Disable unnecessary apps including OneDrive. Trust me, this can make your PC start faster in no time. Tip 2. Clean up your disk. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool to delete temp files, system cache, and more. Just search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and follow the prompts. A clean hard drive equals a faster computer. Tip 3. Uninstall unused programs. Old or unused programs take up valuable resources. Go to Control Panel, then Programs. Select Uninstall a program, then look for apps you no longer need, and remove them. It's like decluttering your digital space. Tip 4. Adjust visual effects. Windows animations look cool but can slow down performance. Here's how to optimize them. Search for Adjust Performance in the Start menu. Select Adjust for best performance or tweak settings manually. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Tip 5. Update drivers in Windows. Outdated software can slow you down. Ensure Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, then Update and Security. Update drivers for better hardware compatibility. Keeping everything current is key to smooth performance. Tip 6. Use an SSD. If you're still using an HDD, upgrading to an SSD is a game changer. An SSD can significantly improve boot times and overall speed. It's a bit of an investment, but totally worth it. Tip 7. Manage background apps. Some apps run in the background, eating up resources. Open Setting. Privacy. Then Background App. Turn off apps you don't use frequently. This simple tweak can free up valuable CPU power. Tip 8. Scan for malware. Viruses and malware can slow your PC. Run a full scan with Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus program. Stay protected to keep your system running at its best. Tip 9. Add more RAM. Finally, if all else fails, consider upgrading your RAM. Adding more memory can handle heavier workloads and boost multitasking. That's it, and let me know how it works for you in the comments.